Hello guys, hi, how are you? Oh my god, this feels so weird. So this is my first video that I'm speaking in English and I'm already struggling. So yeah, this is the first video that I will speak in fully English. I hope you will like it. I hope you will not mind my accent since I'm not like British, I'm not American, Australian or whatever it is. I'm Greek, but I live in Luxembourg, so this means that my everyday life is surrounded by English and French actually, but at work and at home I'm mainly speaking in English, and this has become like a routine. Sometimes even my thoughts are in English, even though I love my language, I love Greek. I decided, to take a chance and do some changes in my life, and actually one of these changes was to update and upgrade my channel and start speaking in English. I was thinking about this actually almost a year now, and I was stopping myself because I had like a lot of, I don't know, like thoughts in my head, like if you will like it or not like it, like the already existing subscribers, if you think that, I don't know. After a period in my life where I had like really big difficulties to cope with myself and what was happening around me, I decided to, focus on me and start doing things that I will enjoy and I want to do, and trying to not think too much what other people will think. It's not every day that easy, and of course it's a process. And here we are now. I think also in this video you will hear a lot of echo since I'm in my bathroom. There are not that many things, that can cover this echo, but yeah, maybe it's a little bit all over the place, this video, but I really wanted to do. And I wanted to start from the basics, since most of my videos that I was doing was related to makeup, and I haven't done for my already existing subscribers an updated makeup routine. So I'm actually going to a baptism soon. So this is the makeup that I did. I also straightened up my hair. So it's a very simple, almost everyday makeup. This is actually what I do to go to the office, except I have a little bit of eyeshadow, except from the eyeshadow. This is what I do. This is how I do my makeup in an everyday basis. So here we are. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, this very luminous, very glowy look, just keep on watching. So I brought you a little bit closer so you can see my face. I will just tie my hair behind with, I love these ones. I love and hate them actually. It's from Sleep. It's their like satin, satin hair ties. They're really nice when they're new. After they become a little bit bigger, and I will show you the one that I'm really using. I have like thick hair. This is how it becomes, guys, and it really goes like this super fast for me. So yeah, I'm always starting with my base, so I'm taking this Benefit Boing Boing Industrial Strength Concealer. To be honest, I'm not loving it, but this is what I have at the moment, and I just dip it like this with a hairbrush, I wanted to say, with a flat brush, and I'm going to the spots where I need a little bit more coverage. Ooh, coverage. And as you see, probably you can, I'm not sure because of the lighting, but I do have discoloration because I used to have a lot of, not a lot of acne, but I used to have some acne, especially on my cheek area. So this is the area that I need the biggest coverage, the most coverage, I would say, but I'm not really going. I mean, this is normal, it's skin. I do have some texture, I do have some discoloration, and this is okay. I'm just going to the spots that they are the most prominent, let's say. And then the next thing that I will do is to take my contour stick. Actually, this is a foundation stick from Lancome. It's the Teint Idol Ultra Wear in the color 05 Beige Noisette, and it's just a stick. I really like it. It's very creamy. I use it now, I think over a year. No, not over a year, sorry. I bought it for my cousin's wedding, so it was in July, so I use it since July, but I almost use it every day, to be honest, and I really like it. I place it a little bit higher from the hollows of my cheek, and I just go like this with the dabbing motion. I'm not using a lot, as you will see. I'm just putting some in order to define the cheekbones that I don't really show and have. And then I go underneath, and then I do also here and here and a little bit here. For my base, I blend two products that I really like, I have to say. These are the two. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, I don't remember what is this name, I think it's the Flawless Filter, something like this. And this is the Guerlain L'Essentiel. It's a natural glow 16-hour wear. It has SPF 20, and this was introduced by a friend of mine actually. I didn't know, and I think I wouldn't have picked it otherwise, and I really like it. It's a light coverage, I would say. It doesn't really it doesn't look heavy on the skin, and it has actually a really good wear. So what I do is I go first with a Flawless Filter, and I put it on my back of my hand, and then I will go with this one, and then I will do some bumps, like that much. Can you see? Yes, that much. And then I will blend it with my finger, and I will go, I will show you. I'm blending. To be honest, I could use less here. That was a little bit too much, but since I have the baptism, I would, yeah. It's okay to have a little bit more coverage. And to be honest, this routine is super fast. Usually I do it every day before work, before I go to work, and it takes me, the full makeup, it takes me like 10 minutes. And then I will take a clean beauty blender. I will always dab a little bit, you know, from the excess amount that I have here, and I will go with the dabbing motion and blend. And what I will do, I will go around the contour. I will not pick up this color yet, because I don't want to transfer this color to the rest of my face. And this will be like the last step. And then I will go with my trusted concealer. Actually, I don't think this is a concealer. This is kind of a illuminator, but I don't have really like heavy, let's say, dark circles. So I'm just putting it directly. As you can see, the base is like really glowy. I really like this like finish that these products combined are giving me. So yeah. And this concealer blends like super easy. And then I will go with my very loved Charlotte Tilbury again. I really like this brand. It's the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I will take a little bit, tap of course, you know all the steps. If you're watching YouTube for a while, of course, you know all the steps. And then I will go with my Hourglass palette, and I will take these two colors together in one brush, and I will just lightly go, you know, bronze up a little bit the skin. Then I will do quickly my brows, because actually I'm not doing like something much, let's say, these are my natural brows. I'm not doing anything. Like the only thing that I do is like plucking them or shaving them actually. So this is the only thing that I do. I don't have like a microblend or nothing. This is my natural brows. So I will go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown, and I will come back to you. And as for my eyeshadow, I will go with my Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette that is very well loved, and I will just take the burnt orange, which is like a light, I will show you. Can I show you? Like it's this one, so it's like a very light brown color, and I will just put it all over the lid. And for the eyeliner, I will go with the By Mario, like this Master Matte Liquid Eyeliner in super black, and I will just draw a wing. This I will do it off camera because you know, it's really tricky to do an eyeliner on camera, so because I need to be really close in the mirror. So I will do this again off camera and I will be back. And I am back with a small eyeliner, nothing dramatic. In general, this makeup look is really simple, but I really like all these like kind of natural looking, you know, natural skin, not too much in the eyes. And now I will go with this mascara. Actually, this is something quite new for me. I really love the Lancome mascara, but now I'm using this NARS Extreme Climax mascara, and it's not that bad actually for every day. I really like it. It's not too dramatic, and if you have already like long eyelashes, in general I do have long lashes, this is a great mascara. Can you see how nice? I love this mascara also, I have to say. I think I don't want to do anything else with my makeup. Also, I have to say, so you know, I'm not a big lip girl, so I'm not really using lipsticks. Shocking, I know. But what I use and I really like, and I actually have it on my lips at the moment, is this Laneige, I think it's called, the sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask. It's a really nice, heavy duty, I would say, balm. So I will just take it and I will just dab it, and it gives a really nice glow. It hydrates the lips, and what else can I ask? Voila! And there you have it, guys. This is my little updated makeup routine for what I do, you know, in a daily basis. Actually, this is kind of a daily basis, as I said, for my makeup. And I actually quickly straighten up my hair, and this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you liked the video actually, and you didn't mind my accent and maybe some mistakes that I did so far, but this is a work in progress with but this is a work in progress. So I hope you did enjoy, you know, your time here, and if you did, remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed here. So I wish you a lovely night, day, midday, whenever you're watching this video, and see you next time. Ciao!